another review. I'm doing the Camille Rose line because I always see their stuff and I would love to, you know, I want to branch out into new products. So I want to see other products and how they are. So I grabbed these because I literally always see them when I go to Target. So I just grabbed them. This one is the Camille Rose Honey Hydrate step 1. I didn't really see like a step 2, so I just like grabbed this one. First off, I think this packaging is genius. It looks like a honey bottle. Like it looks like honey. I thought this was like super cute. This is really cute. I love that. And it honestly smells like honey. It really does smell like honey. It was $13.99. That's like on the costly side to me. All the products that I use on my hair is like fairly cheap, so that's a little bit on the pricey side. I try to buy products that are cheap because I use a lot in my hair, so I have to keep buying products more often. So that was like a downside to me. It says golden honey based condition to provide maximum hydration. Use as a leave-in on freshly conditioned hair, then style as desired. Okay. So this product does give maximum hydration. My hair was super hydrated and super moisturized, but a little too moisturized because it was a sticky, not a moisturized feeling to where you could touch your hair throughout the day. A moisturized feeling where it's deep conditioners in your hair and you can't touch it because it'll rub off and get on your hands. I don't like that. And like the honey scent was a little bit too intense for me. It's not a bad scent, like it's like, you know, it's just really strong. I didn't like it. Like that's just too much for me. But it does what it says it does. It definitely, you know, it conditions, it provides the maximum hydration that you're looking for. If your hair is dry, you could probably try this, you know, and just, you know, don't touch your hair all day, or, you know, but it definitely does provide the maximum hydration. It sets out and does its mission statement, what it says on the bottom. The ingredients are amazing. These ingredients, they are super natural, all natural. This brand, I'm learning that it is an all natural brand. Like there's no like additives or anything harmful for your hair. So that's also something that you want to look out for. It didn't really do anything like for my curls. Like it just made my hair, you know, hydrated. It just was like, you know, soft. It wasn't really soft, it was just like moisturized and sticky. I feel like I had to use a lot of this product just for my entire head to be moisturized, so I didn't really like that because the bottle is so tiny. I wish the bottle was a little bigger for $13.99. I feel like you should give a little more since you're paying a little more. That was another downside I didn't really like to it, so I personally would not be buying this product again. I feel like there's other products out there that I could get the same moisture with. Overall, yeah, this won't be bought again. Yeah, if you have bought this, tell me your experience with it down in the comments below. If you like it, if you didn't like it. Okay, but bye.